Hi, welcome to my channel, Hulina Hook, hook number 5, crochet flowers, crochet flowers, crochet flowers, crochet flowers. Let's go, crochet flowers tutorial. 1 chain, 2 chain, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch, 1 chain, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slip stitch. Yes, good. Flowers centrum, 1 row. Repeat 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet, 2, 3 single crochet, 4, repeat single crochet, 12, the end, centrum crochet, slip stitch, repeat row 3, 1, 2, 3 chain, double crochet, one double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet, 12 double crochet, then row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 double crochet, 1 chain and slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, last 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochet, yes, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat 2 flower crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5 double crochet, 6, 7 double crochet, yes, slip stitch, repeat center row, the end row, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, slip stitch, the end flower. Very good crochet flower. Haha. 2, 3, crochet flower lace. Welcome.